over the next few months, I'm gonna be updating my YouTube equipment because I'm starting to take this little YouTube stuff a little more seriously now. And one of the first things I decided to upgrade is my lights. My lights, they did the job, served its purpose, did what it had to do for what I wanted it for, to try this YouTube stuff out. But now it's time to step my game up. So I went and grabbed the Godox SL-60W. Heard some good things about this. I researched this for quite a bit, and hopefully it does the job. So let's jump into this unboxing. Perfect. Let's see what we got in here. A little bit of tape. This knife out the way. Oh, more tape. Pop off. Got a little microfiber cloth. Nothing special. Some books and stuff. Look like we got this thick power cable. Got this, I think it's called what? The reflector. She thought it was gonna be a little bigger, but it's a reflector. Oh, here it goes. Hold on, before I get to this, let's see what else is in here. It's got a remote controller. This will come in handy. The remote. Okay, nothing else in the box. Throw that to the side. I actually thought this would be a little bigger. It's actually smaller than I thought it would be. Okay, so we got this little flap thing flailing around. Okay, I don't want to break this. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. It's a little lever right here to pull this out. It's a little cap. So this is it. Godox SL-60W. Check it out. I guess this is the actual light part. And it's like a screen on the back with a few knobs, a power button, power switch. It's got this little channel button. I don't know what none of this stuff does. Read a few reviews, watched a few videos, but I mean, I didn't know what they was talking about either. People said it was good, the price was good, so I said I'm just gonna try it out for myself. But that was just about it. I got a soft box for it. Let me go grab that real quick. Okay, for the soft box, I got the P90L soft box, same Godox brand. Got this here, came with a cool bag. Not that I'm gonna be breaking it down or moving it around. It's pretty much gonna set it up, put it in position, and I ain't moving it. It's gonna stay right there. But it's nice that it came with a bag, because the actual light itself didn't come with a bag, so I definitely won't be moving that around. So cool. So this is the, what's it called? The mount. I don't know what kind of mount it's called, but this is the mount. It's actual the soft box. It's a little diffusions. Alright, that's it. Nothing much to talk about here. Let's jump into the setup. Okay, this was a fail. This light is way too big. It's my old light. Well, one of my old lights. And look at the size difference. Look at my little desk. Yeah, I gotta do some rearrangement because this thing is way too big. It was a lot of work to try to squeeze this light into my small little space I use for recording videos. Got all the settings dialed in to like where it kind of matches how my previous light setup was. But I just think this light is way too big. As far as I can tell, the fan noise is not really being picked up by my microphone, but you let me know. To me, I feel like the picture difference doesn't look that much different between this light and my previous light. So I don't know. Not really too impressed right now. I mean, it is lighting my face and my body pretty much the same way the last two lights were giving me light, but I don't know. Not like I'm 100% sold on this, and it just might just be too OD for my small setup. So I might need to start my upgrade somewhere else and come back to the light later when I have a bigger space to work with. But that's it. This was another Joe Tech Talk. Thanks for watching. Catch me in the next one. I'm out.